Hi folks, Dave Schmidt here. Hey, coming to you once again from Sedona with one of our more famous locations in the background. You're seeing Bell Rock there behind me. That's one of the favorite locations here of the people who locally they live here. Wonderful hiking trails, and on the other side of Bell Rock you can actually climb up part of the rock. Well, today I want to talk to you about the upcoming one-day workshop. I would love to have you come there, because here's the thing we want to know. Who wants to be a millionaire? Obviously we all do. You would not be watching this video if you did not. But the question is, are you ready to be a millionaire? Do you know what to do before the RV happens, when you receive your funds, and then what you're going to do for a month, 2 months, 5 months, a year afterwards? That's what we're going to cover. The workshop is going to happen in 3 2-hour sessions. In the first session, we'll talk about the history of the RV, we'll talk about the role of the Federal Reserve, but more important, about the shift and the change that's going to come in conjunction with our U.S. Constitution. This is no small issue. You and I play an extremely important role for this to be carried out in an appropriate manner so that we can make very healthy changes, not only to our own families and our own country, but our own world. That sets the background, sets the foundation for what we talk about next. What are you going to do when the RV happens? What are you going to do with your money? What about your relationships with the banks? Banks at times seem to be a nasty word. What I say is, for you and I, it needs to be just the opposite. You need to allow your banker to be your newfound best friend. Where's the money going to be? How many bank accounts do you need? How many different banks should you have? Allow that banker to become your initial wealth manager who has contacts at the local place in your local community, so you can develop relationships with tax attorneys, wealth advisors, CPAs that you can meet with face to face. Those are extremely important issues. And then the biggest question of all, taxes. What are they going to be? What can I expect? Should I be setting up trust, LLCs, subchapter S corporations, nonprofit businesses? The answer to that question alone can save you 1,000 times over the cost of this workshop. It's amazing how many people don't know how to take advantage of the current tax laws to save them literally tens of thousands of dollars every year. I'll talk about that. Then in the third session, we're going to talk about developing the abundance mindset. Why do we not handle our money very well? Well, a lot of it is because we're somewhat fearful. It's new to us. You know, the mindset, the thought process that we bring into this determines more than anything else whether we receive our money with joy, with happiness, and a sense of abundance, in contrast to fear, anxiety, trepidation, and somewhat reluctance to be able to move forward. All of those things are going to be wrapped up in this one-day workshop. Now, seating is limited, but what I've also done, I've set aside a number of scholarship places that are available. So head to the website again, thesedonaconnection.com. You will get more details are there, and you will also find the place where you can sign up for the registration. Again, it's March 23rd, a one-day full workshop. And one of the best things that's going to come out of that, you and I are going to be able to meet each other and the lots of other people that are there to develop healthy relationships with each other, so we can start learning from each other as well. So it doesn't stop when the workshop is over. That's really just the start for all of us. So look forward to you being there on March 23rd at the Embassy Suites South at the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport. Thanks a lot, folks.